In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to a debit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to transfer any amount of money that you have on your PayPal balance to a debit card, either through the PayPal website through a web browser or on the PayPal mobile app, as I'm going to be demonstrating in this video. If you want to do this process through the app, all that you have to do is go to your wallet. The process is going to be similar on the web browser, but it might be visually different. When you go to your wallet, tap the Add Banks and Cards options, and you will be able to link a debit card. If you want to ensure that it goes through with the transfer, you can also link a bank, but linking a debit card should be enough. In some cases, you might have to confirm a bank account, so you might as well just link both. This is completely up to you. A debit card should do fine. When you tap debit card, you will be able to input all the details about your card, so the card number, the expiration date, and to quote at the bank. Once you are done with this process that I'm not going to show in this video because I don't have a debit card in hand, it will appear under your wallet. Like I mentioned, you can also add a bank account if you wish to ensure that this process works. Once you are done linking either a bank account or a debit card, all that you have to do if you have any money on your balance is to tap on your balance and you will find the transfer options. When you tap transfer, you will be able to input the amount that you want to transfer and start it right away or in 1 to 3 days with no fee. If you make an instant transfer, there will be a fee, so be aware of the amount. And if you wait 1 to 3 business days, you will be able to make this transfer without any fees, regardless of which option you pick. As long as you have the debit card or a bank account linked properly, you will find them and you can select them from this transfer window. Keep in mind that this also depends on which region of the world you are in, because in some regions you will not be able to hold money on your PayPal balancing, because if it is, it would mean that it's impossible to transfer money. But as long as your region allows you to hold balance inside of PayPal, you will find a transfer option when you tap on the amount of your balance. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PayPal to a debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.